Welcome to my channel everyone and to our kitchen. So this menu is noodles with vegetables, chicken, and this is cheese, and this is salad, which is the ingredients is the beetroot, tomato, cucumber, rackets, and what you call it, yeah, touch of lemon, and olive oil, and vinegar, and it's yummy delicious. Sometimes I miss to eat Philippine food, which I don't know how to cook in Philippines. I just learned it here in Jordan, so I cook sometimes. Very good. This chicken with chicken, and I'll show you this one. This is yummy. This is like calamantina or mandalina. It tastes sweet. So this is our food for today. Come and join us and let's have a bite. I'm waiting for Captain. It's the sunset prayer already, which is not Ramadan really, but because I'm fasting, because I uh, I gain weight after the gym that is closed, then I didn't go again, so I gained weight. So I decided to fast, and Captain will eat with me. So this is our breakfast for today, and it looks yummy, isn't it? The salad. I love the taste of the beetroot. I really love it. Here it is. The only missing of this is the soup. In the Ramadan, they always have soup. But I didn't make soup. I didn't eat the whole day since 4 in the morning. I didn't have a sip of water because that's what it says. I'm fasting. So take care wherever you are, and I hope you have a good day. Please subscribe, like, and comment on my channel, everyone. Take care and God bless. See you soon.